Welcome, everyone. My name is Richard Folter, and I'm the director of WEBA. I would like to invite you all on the 18th of January at 9 o'clock AM French time, because we have a fantastic new school with us, and we will running an excellent workshop. Claudia, is all yours.
Hello, Richard. Thank you very much. Hi, everyone. As Richard has just said, we will be attending a workshop on the 18th of January at 9 a.m. I am Claudia, directly from Paris. I am the director of the international department, and I will be very happy to meet you at that moment. It will be a great opportunity to introduce you to our school and to our French, but specifically also English-speaking programs in cinematography and sound engineering at the bachelor's and master's level. I hope to see many of you on the 18th of January. Thank you so much and see you very soon.
Thank you, Claudia. Thank you very much for your introduction. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is a very interesting school, and I know you as an agent, you're always looking for new opportunity. And we are talking about a film school, a sound film schools, a film school that will give you the opportunity for many students to open many new doors. So I will invite you to register below. As you can see, you will find a link, include your detail inside, and I'm looking forward to see you on the 18th of January at 9 o'clock French time. Thank you very much, everyone. Have a great